donut, mochi donut.
3 ingredients to make these mochi donuts. We're gonna start with 100 grams, so get yourself a little handy dandy scale from Amazon Basics. 100 grams of Mochiko sweet rice flour, which I think is called glutinous flour, like gluteus maximus. Okay, 102, that's fine. So now I have soft tofu, 200 grams. What is that, 100? Now you can snack on raw tofu. I like raw tofu. You do too?
Mm-hmm.
Let me give this a good mix. Okay, so you stir it up. Ah, that hurts. Now we're gonna add our third ingredient. Should I try this? Anyone give me a tummy ache?
Yes.
I'll try it.
Like, I'm not overreacting, it's bad.
No, it's not.
So 100 grams of hot cake mix. Japanese hot cake mix. 100 grams going in. There we
Perfect.
go. Okay. Go in with your clean hands, and we're just gonna knead this until it comes into a dough. Just kidding. We just want it to come together. That's probably good. It's coming together in a little dough ball. We got this perfect little dough ball. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
What's the correct way to pass a knife?
Down. Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it first.
He's gonna cut it. Wow. Babe, this is so bad.
Why would you say that?
We have to redo that. Brooklyn did it perfectly. Now this has to go in 8 pieces.
Oh.
Wow. Now you take all these little pieces and you're gonna make all of these into little balls. Little tiny balls. Okay. So now that they look good, take a sheet of your parchment paper and we're gonna make our donut. We're just gonna stick them together. Oh yeah, show them the oil.
It's not just any oil. This kind of looks like a soft drink, like a Gatorade.
And then look at this.
Wow, that is so cute. That's like a friendship bracelet. It's
We're
like
gonna
one
make
of those-
6 of them.
Interception.
So while they are making the donuts, I'm gonna make the icing. Probably only about a tablespoon of milk for 3/4 cup of powdered sugar.
You just have such an eye.
It's donut time. Take our dough, we drop it in there with the parchment paper. So it's important to use these little squares because you can't pick these up or else it will just fall apart. See, if it starts bubbling right away, you're good. So it's 1.5 minutes each side. Should be like golden brown. This was our test donut.
Whoa.
A perfect mochi donut.
Whoa.
Dunk. Guys. Gotta flip that, gotta flip that, gotta flip that.
That. Mochi donut.
Mochi donut. So there you have it. Your perfect mochi donuts with 3 ingredients. They taste unreal. You have to make them. They only make 6, so double the recipe, make them for your friends.